With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so we are given with the question which says there is a compound microscope having an objective of focal length 2 cm and eyepiece of focal length 6.25 cm and distance between the objective and eyepiece is 15 cm. If the final image is formed at least distance vision, that is at 25 cm, so we need to find the distance of the object from the objective. Alright, so this is a case of compound microscope. Let's try to understand the general setup of compound microscope. So here we can see compound microscope basically have two lenses. One is objective, another is eyepiece. Eyepiece is greater than objective in size. So the working is simply we can say when light comes from the objective and it incident on the objective lens, so it forms an image as we can see it over here in between objective and eyepiece lens, and this image will serve as an object for eyepiece, and finally eyepiece will form an image. Alright, so this is how the working of the compound microscope goes. So from here we can see we have been given with focal length. So if we write, we have been given with focal length of objective as 2 cm, focal length of eyepiece as 6.25 cm, and objective distance between objective and eyepiece, that is we can see L has been given to be as 15 cm, and we have been given in the question that final image is formed at least distance of vision 25 cm. So as we can see, final image is formed by eyepiece, so basically we have been given with VE which is nothing but 25 cm. Alright, so these are all the data given to us, and we are interested in finding the distance of object, that is we are interested in finding the value of U. So let's start the working over here. So first we can calculate the value of UE, that is the object distance for eyepiece. So for that we will use a lens formula. So we can write by lens formula is nothing but it is 1 over V minus of 1 over U, and that is equals to 1 over F. Here it is, we have to be careful, we will put a suffix of E, that is we are doing it for eyepiece. Now we have to just substitute the values over here. So we have been given with V as 25, and as we can see this has to be taken as negative because we can see light is incident from left to right, and we are measuring every distance is measured from the optical center, that is this is optical center for eyepiece. So we can say this will measure the image distance, that is image will be formed somewhere over here. So let's suppose that image is forming over here, and let's suppose it has to be I dash, and this distance is nothing but it is our VE. Alright, so from here we can say, so it has to be taken negative because we are measuring it in the opposite direction of the incident light, so this has to be taken as negative, and here it would be minus of 1 by UE, and that is equals to 1 by FE. Since it's a convex lens, so we can say focal length has to be taken as positive. So from here we can now get the value of UE. So we can write 1 over UE would be nothing but minus 1 by 25 minus of 1 by 6.25. Therefore from here the value of UE we are getting is minus of 5 centimeter. Alright, so this is what the object distance for an eyepiece we are getting, that is UE. Now from the diagram we can say we can calculate the value of V naught. So we can write from figure, we can write L is nothing but it is V naught plus of UE. Therefore from here the value of V naught would be nothing but L minus of UE. L has been given to be as 15, and UE we have just calculated it as 5. We have to be careful, we are not using the negative sign over here, just because negative sign indicates the direction, and we are finding the value of magnitude. Alright, so V naught we will be getting is 10 centimeters. So as we have calculated the value of V naught, we have F naught with us, so we can easily calculate the value of U, that is U naught. So which is the desired result. So we can say again by length formula, we can write 1 over V naught minus of 1 over U naught would be equals to 1 over F naught. So just we have to substitute the values now. So we can write 1 over V naught, as we can see V naught is in the direction of incident light. If let's say this is the optical center, so distance measured will be in this direction, that is in the direction of incident light, so it has to be taken as positive. So we can write 1 over V naught, that is 1 over 10 minus of 1 over U naught, and here it is 1 over F naught. F naught focal length of object is been given as 2 centimeter, so here it is 2. Therefore the value of 1 over U naught would be equals to 1 over 10 minus of 1 over 2, and this gives us the value as 2. So this comes out to be minus 8 by 20. Therefore the value of U naught comes out to be minus of 2.5 centimeter. Alright, so here minus is indicating that the object distance is towards the left, as we can see. So this is what the value of U naught we have calculated. Alright, so this is the answer to this question. So I hope you have understood the concept well, and thank you for watching.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.